The fully synthetic MELAG Care Oil ensures gentle care of your dental handpieces and turbines. If the MELAG Care Oil is used up, a display message appears. If this happens, you have to replace the oil can and the Carebox filters. To do so, please open the door of the Careclave until it fully locks into place. Please unscrew the cover on the door side to remove the used oil can. After inserting a new oil can, please screw the lid back into the door. Finally, reset the care counter of the Careclave by confirming the oil can change on the display. The Carebox filters must also be replaced each time the oil can is changed. To do so, remove the filter cover on the Carebox. Please inspect the new filter paper visually for damage before replacing the filters. Now, reinsert the cover by placing it at the bottom first. Please change the Carebox filter on the opposite side and repeat the procedure for all Careboxes in your practice or clinic. The Careclave and Careboxes are now prepared for optimal care and reprocessing of your instruments.